Hi everybody, Patrick here from EscapeRoomElectronics.com, PaintballPros.com, and EngineeringShock.com. Today I want to show you our new 8-digit combination lock escape room prop. And one of the neat things about this is it comes with electromagnetic lock, bracket, mounting hardware, power adapter, main control module with LCD readout, and a 42-digit keypad. This keypad is actually on Kickstarter right now. And here's the neat thing: because there's you need an 8-digit combination on a 42-digit keypad, the number of different combinations is almost 10 trillion. Not billion, not million, trillion. Almost 10 trillion different 8-digit combinations on a 42-digit keypad. In any case, the idea is, on power up, you enter an 8-digit keypad, an 8-digit combination. If you enter in the right combination, electromagnetic lock becomes deactivated for 30 seconds. Then the system resets. If you want to reprogram your own code into EEPROM memory, you have to type program, the program button, save, the save button, and PRG. So save program, save PRG. And we'll go through that demonstration in a minute. Right now I've got the combination star space cat. So star cat as the deactivation combination. So let's have a quick look at the LCD. So on power up, the electromagnetic lock is magnetized, and I enter in a combination. So because I've already programmed my code star space cat, so star cat, into EEPROM memory, I don't need to worry about reprogramming it. I will reprogram in just a minute, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter in an 8-digit code that's incorrect right now. Now the keys on the keypad are A to Z, 0 to 9, and commands space, number sign, save, clear, load, and enter. So I'll just enter in A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Incorrect combo. So when I enter in an incorrect combo, it says that on the LCD. It beeps 3 times and then prompts me to enter in a new combination. If I enter in the correct combination, we'll hear a 3-second beep, and the electromagnetic lock will be deactivated for 30 seconds before the software resets. So let me enter in StarCat. Space C A T. StarCat. Correct combo. So after 30 seconds elapses, the electromagnetic lock locks again, and the system resets. Enter combo. So I'm going to enter StarCat again so you can see the electromagnetic lock becoming disengaged. StarCat. StarCat. Now I'm going to skip ahead. I'm going to show you how to program in your own code. Just to give you a quick idea, every time you press a button, the LED on the board illuminates and stays illuminated until you let go. Incorrect combo. Anyhow, let's program in our own code. To program in your own code, we have to press the save button, and it'll display SV on the LCD, and then PRG, so save program. So only 4 characters will enter us into program mode. So I will press save, and then PRG. Now we're in program mode. Enter combination. So I'll enter in a new combination. Let's just do something simple. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Code programmed. Now that code is entered into EEPROM memory, and so it'll save if you power off. I'll actually power off right now. Electromagnetic lock is demagnetized because power is off. Power it back up again. Electromagnetic lock is magnetized. So our old code StarCat should not work. STAR space CAT. Incorrect combo. So we enter in our new combination. Correct combination. So that's it. Everything comes completely connected. All you need to do is mount this into your prop, make it your own. Each of the elements here has mounting holes. 4 mounting holes on the main board, 4 mounting holes on the keypad. Connections between the main board and the keypad are on the bottom of each board. The power supply connects right behind here, just plugs directly in. This is your electromagnetic lock mounting hardware. I will be placing a link talking about the mounting of the electromagnetic lock in the listing at escapefromelectronics.com and on eBay. And this is the electromagnetic lock and bracket. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us through our contact page at Engineering Shock Electronics or engineeringshock.com, escapefromelectronics.com, paintballprops.com, or through eBay. Thanks for watching, everyone.